the Australian Alps, embarking on an epic photography and snow camping expedition in the heart of the snowy mountains backcountry to experience and capture the raw beauty of winter from the top of Australia's highest peaks. Stay tuned and let's dive into this adventure as we figure out how to snowshoe and, more importantly, survive on top of the exposed western faces. We'll survive frozen nights under the stars and arduous hiking through soft snow, which makes for one hell of a memorable experience. Oh yeah, let's go. Alrighty, here we are, snowshoeing midwinter, absolute stunner of a weekend, or a breath of wind, sun's out, no clouds, out here with a few mates, first time snowshoeing, kind of getting the hang of it, it's not too bad, absolutely frothing just to be out here, like, can't believe this scenery, it's absolutely stunning. Been hiking all day, started in Guthiga, heading towards Mount Tate, or that kind of range. And we're going to park up, enjoy a couple hours of light and set up camp and crack a beer and see what happens. Hopefully we can survive tonight. Beautiful. Stay tuned. Made it up to Kosciuszko National Park. Spent the day snowshoeing for the first time. Wow.
Yeah, it's a bit of an experience. We walked without him for a little while. It was all like a little bit slippery, we weren't so sure, and then we kind of threw him on and we're like, oh,
Good, hey?
this is like a whole new level.
We're up in the Mount Tate area, currently watching the sunset. We just set up camp, making sure we're all good to survive the wintry night.
We couldn't have got much more lucky with the weather we've got.
Yeah.
Actually can't see a cloud in the sky anywhere, and the wind's pretty relaxed. The sun's coming down on us. There's no complaints from my end.
Yeah. We'll park up for the night. Just a quick one-nighter, see if we survive.
Get some grub in and get going again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate.
Oh, you can give me the shit one.
Cheers, mate.
Fuck,
Cheers. Unreal. Oh, he's born for the camera.
Yeah.
I'm really good at it. Can't bring the camera down.
I mean, the first impression of snowing in the snowy mountains is good. We're out here. It feels like we're out here alone.
Snowshoeing.
Feels remote. It's beautiful. Hopefully, we won't freeze tonight. I actually feel pretty good.
Yeah, feels like home.
I just like.
It feels like home. Oh no, it doesn't.
Mine fine.
Actually, I slept better than expected, but I was cold at the end.
Me frozen.
Sam had a great night.
I did not have a great night. I was frozen from everywhere, from my head to my balls. He was like, "Oh, it's fine. Oh, it's fine.
This is fine.
What are you wearing? What
Everything I have.
What are some tips?
I've worn 8 layers and didn't need more clothes.
How'd you sleep?
Got into bed at 6:30. I think I've been in bed at 6:30 since I was like 4 years old. Laying there for a little while.
Feeling cold.
I reckon I got like 1 hour sleep at a time.
You warm?
Oh, my feet were good, but then they just like got to a point where they were gone. The wind stopped, and it got really still throughout the night. But the wind stopped and it got colder, so it was like trying to just maintain body heat. But I think it's pretty worth it because we've woken up. Weather's still great. Only a breath of wind, and we're about to get a pretty damn amazing sunrise. So I think we've done pretty well.
How amazing is this? Woke up to sunrise, went to bed nice and early, probably about 6:30. A few of the boys were a bit cold last night. Warm enough, but yeah, definitely a different experience up here. We got pretty lucky, it wasn't too windy, so that definitely helped out. We've woken up to this stunning view, can't get over these colours. First time I've seen a sunrise from a snowy peak, so tick that one off. I think plan for today, head back down to Guthagar, finish off this Mount Tate loop, get the snowshoes back on and get cracking. Have a coffee first, I reckon. Blown away by this scenery, absolutely frothing. If you haven't been up here in winter, highly recommend it. It's pretty cold, probably, I'd say -5. Let's go with -5. Ready to go. Beautiful day, we're gonna get stuck into it.